Welcome to Product Testing 101. We want to thank Setaro Motors and LS Tractors for the use of their equipment. We're going to test the Ultra Bungee today. If you want to come up for a closer look, this is a new product. It looks like an ordinary bungee. However, there's a secret inside. The elastopolymer exterior houses a unique non-Newtonian fluid that instantly realigns the molecular structure when stretched to an oscillatory strain viscosity, which instantly transformed the Bingham plastic isomer into a rigid complex chain with twice the strength of titanium alloy. Let's test it out.